Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anmol, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my experience of getting the Singapore tourist visa. I applied through Thomas Cook and it took me 2 days to get this visa, and I got a 1-year multiple entry Singapore tourist visa at the cost of approximately 2,000 rupees. So following are the list of documents required for the Singapore tourist visa. So the first document is, in addition to the flight tickets that you have booked, you also need to book return tickets or onward tickets. In my experience, I had to travel to another country from Singapore and they still required a return ticket even though I was not returning from Singapore. And if you're applying for a tourist visa and if you have an onward journey from Singapore, you would still have to show them a return ticket from the country that you're flying to coming back to India. And the next thing is, you need to have passport photos with matte finish. You need to also be having a passport with 6 months of validity. You will have to submit previous 3 months bank statement, and it is advisable to keep a bank balance of approximately 50,000 rupees, but it definitely depends upon the number of days that you wish to spend in Singapore. You need to also submit a handwritten cover letter explaining your itinerary and also explaining the purpose of your travel, and which also contains the dates that you'll be traveling to Singapore. If you are an employee, then you need to submit a leave letter from your company, and you also need to submit 3 months of pay slip, income tax returns of 3 years, and also the bank statement. If you are a businessman, then you need to submit registrar of companies certificate and also explain the type of company that you own. In addition to all this, you need to also submit a fully filled visa application form that you will be getting from Thomas Cook once you make the payment on their website. Once you've collected all these documents, you need to submit them to their Thomas Cook office, and you will get a call once your visa has been approved. It takes a maximum of 2 weeks to get the visa, but in my case, I got the visa in 2 days. Now I'll show you the Thomas Cook website where you need to make the payment for the visa fee. So now we open the Thomas Cook website. Here you can see in this section, you need to submit the country that you need to go to, the type of visa. So here the type of visa that you would be requiring is a tourist visa. Now I live in Bangalore, so I will be applying the tourist visa for the Chennai branch, but if you live in the north, then you'll apply for Delhi, or if you live in the west, then you apply for Mumbai. Here you make your whichever branch is in your city. So here it's Bangalore, MG Road, and you put in your details and you get a code, and it approximately costs 2,000 rupees. You continue, choose the dates that you're traveling, so 20th, 1, continue. And here shows your details. These are the details, like which date you're traveling, how much you need to pay, and these are the checklist that you need to go through. Once again, it includes everything that I've spoken. You can book it online and take the receipt to their office, and you should be good to go. So I hope you understood the different visa requirements for the Singapore tourist visa in this video. Do comment below what kind of videos you would like to see in this channel in the future, and also check out my other travel videos on this channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.